Most of us work hard to track our major expenses: rent, car payments, groceries, and utilities. We budget, save, and try to be financially responsible. Yet despite these efforts, many people find their bank accounts aren't as healthy as they'd like. Why? The answer often lies in hidden costs, those small, almost invisible expenses that quietly chip away at your savings. In this video, we'll uncover 7 common hidden costs that could be draining your bank account and show you practical ways to stop the leaks. Let's start your journey to financial freedom by becoming a vigilant leak detector. In today's digital world, subscriptions are everywhere: streaming services, music platforms, software, news, and even snack boxes. It's easy to sign up for a free trial and forget to cancel, or to keep multiple subscriptions for exclusive content. Over time, these recurring charges add up, often without you noticing. The average person subscribes to more services than they actually use, and those $5 or $10 monthly fees can quickly become a significant monthly drain. Let's see how you can identify and tackle this silent budget buster. To stop subscription creep, set aside time each month to review your bank and credit card statements. Most online banking platforms let you categorize transactions, making it easier to spot recurring charges. For each subscription, ask yourself, do I use this? Is it essential? Are there free or cheaper alternatives? Could I share an account with someone? Automate reminders for free trial expirations and consider consolidating or rotating services. Embracing a subscription-free lifestyle by using libraries or free software can also help you save. Banks provide essential services, but they also make money from fees: overdraft, ATM, maintenance, wire transfers, and even paper statement fees. Many people aren't aware of these charges until they see their balance drop. An unexpected overdraft can cost $30.40, and using out-of-network ATMs adds up quickly. Over a year, these fees can total hundreds of dollars, quietly sabotaging your savings. Let's look at ways to avoid these silent drains. Choose banks or credit unions with low or no fees. Set up low balance alerts to avoid overdrafts, and opt out of overdraft protection if you can manage your balance. Use only in-network ATMs to avoid surcharges and maintain minimum balances if required. Go paperless to dodge statement fees, and don't hesitate to call your bank to request a fee waiver if you're a loyal customer. Small changes can save you hundreds each year. Convenience is everywhere: one-click ordering, tempting checkout displays, and instant online purchases. These small, unplanned buys, like a $5 coffee or a $20 magazine, add up over time. They're often driven by the desire for immediate gratification, not real need. If repeated regularly, these purchases can drain your bank account much faster than you realize. Let's explore how to curb these spending habits. To fight impulse buying, implement a waiting period for non-essential purchases. 24 or 48 hours can help the urge pass. Unsubscribe from marketing emails to reduce temptation, and remove saved payment info from shopping sites to add a pause before buying. Always shop with a list and stick to it. Practice mindful spending by asking yourself if you truly need the item and if it adds value to your life. Carrying cash for small expenses can also help you stay within your budget. Procrastination isn't just a time issue, it can cost you money. Delaying important financial decisions like refinancing a mortgage, negotiating insurance, or fixing a car can lead to higher costs down the road. Missed opportunities to invest or save can also mean losing out on potential growth. Being proactive with your finances is key to avoiding these hidden costs. Set deadlines for financial tasks, just like you would for important appointments. Automate bill payments to avoid late fees, and consider setting up automatic investments to benefit from long-term growth. Stay informed about market trends and address repairs promptly to prevent bigger expenses. If you're unsure about a decision, seek professional advice. The cost of good advice is often much less than the cost of a mistake. Many households pay more than necessary for utilities due to inefficient energy use. Old appliances, poor insulation, and outdated habits can all contribute to higher bills. Leaving lights on, running half-full dishwashers, or using energy-hungry devices can inflate your monthly costs. Over a year, these small inefficiencies can add up to hundreds of dollars wasted. Start by conducting an energy audit. Many utility companies offer this service for free or at a low cost. Invest in energy-efficient appliances when it's time to replace old ones, and seal air leaks around windows and doors. Adopt energy-saving habits like turning off lights, using natural light, and running appliances only when full. Smart home technology like programmable thermostats can also help automate savings and reduce your bills. It's tempting to buy the cheapest option, but low-quality goods often wear out quickly or break easily. This means you'll have to replace them more often, which can cost more in the long run. For example, a cheap t-shirt that shrinks after a few washes or a tool that breaks after one use ends up being more expensive than investing in quality from the start. Prioritize quality over price, especially for items you use often or that face a lot of wear and tear. Read reviews and research brands before making purchases, and consider the lifespan of each item. Sometimes, buying secondhand can get you high-quality goods at a fraction of the price. Learning basic repair skills can also extend the life of your belongings and save you money. Many people overlook the value of rewards and loyalty programs, credit card points, airline miles, hotel loyalty, and retail discounts. Not using these programs means you're missing out on free money, discounts, or perks. Everyday spending can earn you cashback or points that add up over time, but only if you're strategic about it. If you can manage your spending and pay off your balance each month, use a rewards credit card that matches your habits, like cashback on groceries or gas. Join loyalty programs for airlines, hotels, and retailers you frequent, and always provide your membership number when making purchases. Regularly check your points and miles and use them before they expire. Take advantage of special offers and consider co-branded cards if you're loyal to a specific brand. Achieving financial security isn't just about earning more, it's about managing what you have wisely. Hidden costs, though small individually, can create big holes in your budget. By actively identifying and addressing these leaks, you can strengthen your bank account and move closer to your financial goals. Let's recap the key steps to becoming a vigilant financial leak detector. Make it a habit to regularly audit your subscriptions, bank fees, and spending habits. Set a monthly reminder to review your statements and look for any recurring charges or fees you might have missed. This simple practice can help you catch leaks early and prevent them from growing into bigger problems. Before making a purchase, pause and ask yourself if it's truly necessary and if it fits your budget. Mindful spending means being intentional with your money, focusing on value rather than impulse or convenience. This approach helps you avoid unnecessary purchases and keeps your finances on track. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each month. Even small, regular contributions can add up over time and help you build a financial cushion. Automation removes the temptation to spend what you should be saving and ensures you're consistently working toward your goals. Having clear financial goals gives you direction and motivation. Whether it's saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or paying off debt, setting targets helps you prioritize your spending and avoid unnecessary leaks. Review your goals regularly and adjust as needed to stay on track. The more you know about personal finance, the better equipped you are to spot hidden costs and make smart decisions. Take time to read articles, watch videos, or attend workshops on budgeting, investing, and saving. Knowledge is a powerful tool for plugging financial leaks and building wealth. Insurance is essential, but overpaying for coverage or missing out on discounts can be a hidden cost. Review your policies annually, compare rates, and ask about available discounts. Adjust your coverage as your needs change to ensure you're not paying more than necessary. Don't accept every bill at face value. Many service providers like cable, internet, or phone companies are open to negotiation. Call and ask for better rates, especially if you've been a loyal customer. You might be surprised at how much you can save just by asking. Regularly tracking your financial progress helps you stay motivated and catch new leaks early. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor your income, expenses, and savings. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small; they add up over time and keep you moving forward. As your income grows, it's tempting to increase your spending. This is known as lifestyle inflation, and it can quickly erase any financial gains. Be mindful of your spending habits and focus on saving or investing extra income rather than upgrading your lifestyle unnecessarily. Unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills can derail your finances if you're not prepared. Build an emergency fund to cover these surprises and avoid going into debt. Even a small emergency fund can provide peace of mind and protect your bank account from sudden leaks. Some hidden costs only appear once a year, like annual subscriptions, insurance premiums, or membership fees. Review these expenses regularly and decide if they're still worth it. Cancel or renegotiate any that no longer provide value to your life or finances. Minimalism isn't just about owning less, it's about focusing on what truly matters. By cutting out unnecessary expenses and clutter, you free up resources for the things that bring you real value and joy. This mindset helps you avoid hidden costs and live a more intentional, financially secure life. Every step you take to plug financial leaks, no matter how small, is a victory. Celebrate your progress, whether it's canceling an unused subscription, negotiating a lower bill, or reaching a savings milestone. These small wins build momentum and keep you motivated on your journey to financial freedom. By becoming a vigilant financial leak detector, you're taking control of your money and your future. Start today, review your subscriptions, check for hidden fees, and practice mindful spending. With each step, you're plugging the leaks and building a stronger, more secure financial foundation. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in now.